Hello everyone, in this video we're going to learn how to take a normal photo of ourselves and convert it into a figurine collectible like this. And not just that, we're going to see how to convert that generated image into a video like this that you can share on social media. We're going to see exactly how to do similar things for our pictures, all for free. So the first thing you want to do is you head over to gemini.google.com, and in one of my previous videos I had shared how we can use gemini.google.com to generate images of ourselves. So the first thing we want to do here is we upload the image that we want to use. Now we have your image uploaded. This is the prompt that you'll be using to generate your own figurine collectible, and I'll be sharing this prompt in the comment section. So I then submit, and Gemini will take a few seconds. So you can see here we have the image of myself, right, painting my figurine image, right? And then from there, once you have, if you're not satisfied with what you're seeing, you can always refresh or redo. Click on the redo button and this would redo the generation. Google has updated their policy and it looks like we have about 10 to 15 generations per day, right? And so you want to take note of that while you redo. Okay, now that we have our image generated, the next thing we do is open a new tab on our computer, on our laptops or phones, and then type in Google Flow. Now the first link you see here called Flow, click on it. Now with Google Flow, you are able to create animated visuals of your images. Now they have a monthly credit limit, so please take note if you are using the free version, which I'm using here. Now I click on Create with Flow, and this open up a new tab, and you can click on next, you scroll down and click continue. So when you come to the Flow website, the first thing you want to do is click on new project. Now this open up a new page for you to input your prompt. Now please pay attention, we don't use text to video here. We're going to use frames to video because we have our source image that we want to use for this. Now when you click on frames to video, you'll see this button below has become available. Click on the plus icon to attach your image. So you click on upload and then select the image that we want to use. So I click on upload, and then I have this image that I want to use. So you can either choose portrait or landscape depending on your preference, but in this case I want to use portrait. Then I click crop and save. All right, the next thing we want to do is we want to make sure our output is in portrait mode as well. So click on the settings icon by the right, and then change the aspect ratio from landscape to portrait. Okay, and then we'll type in this prompt to generate the video, and I'll share this prompt also in the comment section. Convert this image into a video where the person is painting the miniature. Now hit send, and Google Flow would process your image and create a video for you in a few seconds. So I'll pause this video here, and when it's almost done, I would come back. So you can see at the end of the process, Google Flow has generated a video for me that I can click and play. So let's watch the video together. So you can see my video has been created of me painting my sculpture. Now this is how to create an animated version of your image. Now you can download this video to your PC either as an animated GIF or original size. So you can choose original size, and this will download it into your PC. Alright, thank you everyone for joining us on today's video. I'll see you in the next one.